What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at another 2025 Matchbox 5-pack, this time Matchbox Construction. And to be honest with you, I'm definitely not an expert for construction vehicles and definitely not for these castings, but this 5-pack was only €5, so I had to have it. We're gonna go pretty quickly through these, but first of all, we're gonna take a look at the packaging, and you see that our cover model is also here on the back side is the ground grinder, and as you can see here on the side, no licensed models. We get only generic Matchbox castings. So yeah, let's get started. Slide the models out, and this is our first one. It's the road scraper, and this one, as you can see, comes in Reneg Deco, which is pretty cool with white rims. And, if you are not familiar with this casting, we got a little moving part. Once again, definitely not an expert for these. Guess it's for road construction. No idea what this thing does in reality. And but Reneg Deco, pretty cool Matchbox Deco. I only have one other version of this one, Matchbox Construction Deco, as you can see. And I think the Reneg version definitely is the better version. So let's park our road scraper in the parking lot, and let's take a look at the next one, which is this guy here, the turf hauler in kind of a candy apple red. Guess that's kind of an uncommon livery for construction vehicles, but anyways, get another moving part, which is kind of cool. I don't have any other versions of this one, only this guy here. Interestingly, this is also called the turf hauler, and you take a look at the base. This one is saying 1998, so this is kind of an old casting, and I guess that this one here, which is saying 2025, is like the updated version. I'm not really sure why they did this update. I can only guess. If you take a look at the front, I mean, they do look pretty differently. We get this pretty ugly plastic piece here in the front. So I guess it's not as much metal as on the other guy, so they can save a little money. It's only a guess. So new turf hauler, but in our 5-pack is the like old school turf hauler. So into the parking lot it goes. The next one is the ground grinder. This guy doesn't have any moving parts, but it has 3 axles, as you can see. Also in kind of a construction livery, M8 Construction. Don't know what that is. I do have another version, but only because I think we've seen this. This is a pretty recent deco in national parks, which is kind of cool. So road scraper. Into the parking lot it goes. Our next one, definitely not a huge tractor fan, but here you have the Tractor King. If you take a look at the color, that's definitely not good. I don't know what went wrong when painting this thing, but it looks somewhere, or the color looks somewhere between yellow and orange. But it seems like at some point, as you can see, we got more orange or more yellow, so this is not very well painted. Saying eco growers, whatever. So as you can see, it comes with a trailer hitch. Not a huge tractor fan. Into the parking lot it goes. And our last one is this guy here, the Plow Master 6000, which is kind of a cool casting. don't think it has any moving parts. No, but it comes with a trailer hitch, as you can see, and some cool deco on the side. Plow, cool. What does it say? The best in the, I don't know. This thing kind of, I don't know, it reminds me on a Simpsons episode where Homer has this snowplow. I don't know why. Same problem, by the way, here with the paint. I don't know, not really good. I do have another version of this custom, which is really great. Once again, in national parks. So yeah, the national parks version is really, really cool in my opinion of this one. Just looking great, I think. Yeah, it's the best one. Into the parking lot it goes. That's it for this 5-pack. As always, I'm choosing kind of a favorite, and yeah, I think it's this guy here, the Plow Master 6000, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time.